What if I told you that some of the toughest food crops on Earth are almost completely ignored by modern agriculture? Crops that thrive when temperatures climb above 100 degrees, when rain disappears, when ordinary vegetables wither and collapse. Most people don't realize that for thousands of years, civilization survived brutal climates by growing plants that modern farming quietly abandoned. Not because they stopped working, but because the system changed. Industrial agriculture favors uniformity, shipping durability, and supermarket appearance. Crops that grow slowly, look unusual, or don't travel well were pushed aside, yet many of those forgotten plants possess something modern crops desperately lack: resilience. They endure relentless sun, poor soil, drought. Some of them are so tough they've fed desert communities for centuries with almost no irrigation. And two of the crops on this list, especially number 10, and the almost legendary plant at number 11, may be among the most heat-tolerant food plants ever cultivated. These are not just crops. They are survival strategies hidden in plain sight. Let's begin. Amaranth. Amaranthus, SPP. Amaranth is an ancient and extremely resilient crop that once served as a staple food for the Aztec civilization. This plant can grow in extreme heat and poor soil, where many modern crops fail. Both its leaves and seeds are edible, and the seeds are rich in protein and essential minerals. Amaranth grows quickly and can produce grain in about 90 days. Modern industrial agriculture has largely ignored it because it does not fit neatly into the large-scale grain market. But for home gardeners, it is a powerful survival crop that thrives even under intense summer heat. Sorghum. Sorghum bicolor. Sorghum is one of the most heat-tolerant grains in the world, and has been cultivated in Africa for thousands of years. It can withstand extreme temperatures and long dry periods because of its deep root system and waxy leaves that help conserve moisture. Modern farming gradually replaced sorghum with corn, but sorghum remains one of the best grains for hot and drought-prone climates. It can be used for grain, syrup, and livestock feed, and it is relatively simple for gardeners to grow. Cowpea. Black-eyed pea. Vigna unguiculata. Cowpea is an incredibly hardy legume that was domesticated in West Africa and later became a traditional crop in the American South. This plant thrives in intense heat and dry conditions where many other beans struggle. It also improves soil fertility by fixing nitrogen. Industrial agriculture replaced many cowpea fields with soybeans, but cowpeas remain a reliable food crop for hot climates. They grow quickly and begin producing pods within a few weeks. Okra. Obamosus esculentus. Okra is one of the rare vegetables that truly loves extreme heat. It is believed to have originated in the region of Ethiopia and has been cultivated for centuries across Africa and the southern United States. When temperatures rise above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, okra often grows even faster and produces more pods. Large-scale agriculture grows less okra because the pods spoil quickly during shipping. But for backyard gardeners, it is a perfect summer crop that continues producing when many other vegetables slow down. Tepary beans. Phaseolus acutefolius. Tepary beans were domesticated thousands of years ago by indigenous communities in the Sonoran Desert. These beans are uniquely adapted to drought and intense desert heat. Their deep root systems allow them to draw moisture from dry soil that other plants cannot reach. Modern agriculture tends to favor higher yield beans, so tepary beans are rarely grown on a large scale. However, in extreme climates, they remain one of the most remarkable survival crops, capable of producing food with very little water. Purslane portulajolerecha. Purslane is often mistaken for a common weed, but it is actually a highly nutritious edible plant. It grows easily in blazing heat and poor soil, and its succulent leaves store water, allowing the plant to survive drought conditions. Historically, purslane was widely eaten across Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. It is also one of the few leafy greens that naturally contains omega-3 fatty acids. In hot climates, purslane can serve as a resilient and valuable green for home gardens. Millet penicetum glaucum. Millet is an ancient grain that has been cultivated for thousands of years in Africa and India. It can grow successfully in extreme heat and low rainfall environments, where crops like wheat and corn often fail. In the modern food system, millet is sometimes treated as birdseed, but historically it fed millions of people. Its rapid growth and exceptional drought tolerance make it one of the most reliable grains for harsh climates. Malabar spinach, Bacella alba. Malabar spinach is a climbing leafy plant that originated in tropical Asia and parts of Africa. Unlike true spinach, which struggles in summer heat, Malabar spinach actually thrives in hot weather. Its thick, tender leaves remain productive even in temperatures above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Because the leaves bruise easily, supermarkets rarely sell it. But for home gardeners in warm climates, it can be an excellent summer green, especially when other leafy vegetables fail. Roselle hibiscus sabdarifa. Roselle is a striking hibiscus plant that has been cultivated for centuries across Africa, the Caribbean, and Southeast Asia. Its bright red calices are used to make herbal teas, jams, and traditional drinks rich in vitamin C. Roselle grows extremely well in hot climates and strong sunlight. Industrial farming often avoids it because harvesting the calices requires manual labor, but for home gardeners, it can be a productive and beautiful crop. Fonio, Digitaria exilis. Fonio is one of the oldest cultivated grains in West Africa and may have been grown for more than 5,000 years. It is famous for its incredibly fast growth, sometimes maturing in as little as 6 to 8 weeks. Fonio thrives in poor soils and harsh climates, where many other grains cannot survive. Because the seeds are very small and difficult to process, modern agriculture rarely grows it. But in terms of climate resilience and food security, Fonio remains an extraordinary crop. Moringa, Moringa oleifera. Moringa is often called the miracle tree because its leaves are extremely rich in vitamins, minerals, and protein. Native to northern India, the tree is now grown throughout tropical regions around the world. Moringa thrives in poor soil, drought conditions, and intense heat, and it can grow into a productive tree within a year. Its leaves, pods, and seeds are all edible. Large agricultural systems often ignore moringa because the fresh leaves are delicate and difficult to transport. But for home growers, it is an incredibly valuable and resilient plant. Prickly pear cactus, Opuntia spp. Prickly pear cactus has provided food for desert cultures across Mexico and the American Southwest for thousands of years. This plant can grow with almost no water and survive extreme desert heat for decades. It produces sweet fruits known as tunas and edible pads called nopales. Industrial agriculture tends to avoid it because harvesting requires careful handling of its spines. But for hot, dry climates, it remains one of the most reliable and long-lasting food plants a person can grow.